Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer files from your iPhone to your laptop using Google Drive. This works for photos, videos, and documents. We will walk you through the simple steps to move your files wirelessly and easily. Now let's get started. On your iPhone, open your Files app. This is your Files dashboard. We select the items we want to upload to Google Drive. Once we are done selecting, we will tap the Share button in the lower left part of the screen. When we tap that, we will be taken to the next screen. Here, we will tap Drive. We will then be taken to a screen where we can choose which account to use, which folder to save to, or add people to share with. Since we are saving to a new folder, we will tap the folder option. Here, we will create a new folder. We can find this at the top of the file manager, under My Drive. We create the folder and give it a name, like iPhone Files. We type the name, and once we are done, we tap Create. We will be taken into the new folder. As we can see, it is empty for now. From here, we just need to tap Save. Once we tap Save, we can start uploading the selected files. We tap Upload to Google Drive. After that, we will go to Google Drive on our laptop. Our files will be waiting in the folder we just created. To download the files to our laptop, we just right-click the file and select the download option. We click Download. The files are now moving from our iPhone through Google Drive and onto our laptop. Once the download is complete, we will have the files saved on our computer. And that's it. We have successfully transferred files from an iPhone to a laptop using Google Drive. With this method, we can easily move files without any cables or complicated steps.